So Davido went to Katefe streaming and something crazy happened. So listen now. So Katefe has been streaming for some months now. Okay. I think he started in April or something. I can't remember. Okay. So he got about 8 to 10,000 subscribers ish total. And Davido promised to come and come to his live stream. On the day Davido was gonna come, Katefe started the live stream, now waiting for Davido's crew to arrive. So there was this 30 minutes wait. Within those 30 minutes wait, Katefe got about extra 10,000 subscribers. So he had 10,000 before, and these subscribers are not just to click to follow. These people are paying subscribers. They are paying minimum of $2.5. We're talking about 4,000 to 5,000 naira. I'm just gonna put it at roughly 5,000 because of other things, right? Do you understand? So people that are paying him 4,000 to 5,000, just within 30 minutes that people heard that Davido is coming to watch that live stream, they doubled. 10,000 extra people, making it about 20,000 people that was paying this guy about 5,000 naira every month. They subscribe monthly, 5,000 to be watching his craze. Now, when Davido arrived, another extra 10,000 people subscribed again, making it somewhere around 30,000 subscribers. I don't even know how many it is now. Maybe it has gotten to 35,000. Now, do the math. 30,000 people paying $2.5 each monthly. It comes to about 112 million naira monthly. He's cashing out from streaming. 112 million naira per month. Now, what happened was that his subscriber count tripled because the video visited, and the video stayed there like 1 or 2 hours. His subscriber count tripled. Now, many people will call it overnight success. It's not overnight. This guy has been shouting. He doesn't have voice again. He talks like this. He has been shouting and shouting for months. Do you understand? And before that month, he has been doing skits. So there was momentum coming up to that point where his effort is going to triple. You'll be surprised. Politicians will start going to streams like this very, very soon. Once election season is at the corner, they will start going to streams because they want to get people. They want to get visibility. So what do you learn from this? A lot has to be learned. But remember that overnight success can come after a decade of effort. First of all, you have to start with what you have to start with, and then you build momentum on your own. Have some subscribers on your own. On his own, he was able to get about 10,000. In fact, I was seeing a write-up by one of his co-comedians. When he said he wanted to switch to streaming, the guy was discouraging him. His best friend, a comedian, insisting that they should stick with skit making. But now all of them can see that the guy is way ahead. Imagine being this month here, sleeping on your bed this month, knowing that next month, guaranteed minimum 112 million will bust your account. It's not as straightforward as that. For instance, the streaming platform will take half of it. So at least 60M, 50M don't go to the streaming platform. You understand? Then, of course, there are gifts. I don't know whether the streaming platform will take the gifts too, but the subscription fee, I think, is 50 that they will take. So I'm going to teach how to do this streaming. I'm going to teach it, but on my Telegram. If you're not on my Telegram, sorry. Open the Telegram app on your phone. If it's not open, you don't have it, go and download the Telegram on your App Store or Play Store. When you open it, on the search bar at the top of the app, you search for Dave Partner Media. If you can't find it, open your browser like Safari or Chrome on your phone. Search for t.me/Dave Partner Media. Visit this website. Forget this first part. Once you open it, you will see this page. Join. After joining, then when I publish the video soon, you'll be able to get it. Now, I will be announcing it here too. So make sure you engage all these buttons so that TikTok will be showing you more of my videos. But remember that your efforts, the effort you're putting in now, will pay on two conditions. Number one, you build momentum on yourself. Number two, you become the best in what you're doing. Anything you're doing, try and reach the top at it. Be the best. That if they're asking who can handle this, they will say, yes, we know one guy, Dave Partner. Today, I do native medicine. If they are saying who is the guy that can really handle this sickness that refuse to go, I know at least 500,000 people that can vouch that it is Dave Partner. Go and meet him. If you know do him, that means it's unsolvable. Because what I'm the best at what I do. Everybody I help to solve their health problem, what they quickly realize is that I really, really, really know what I'm saying. Do you understand? I really know this thing well. You get, most times, midway, the person will tell me that I think I'm already healed. Like I've already found the source of my problem. You understand? We don't even need to continue going forward. You get what I'm saying? One day somebody's going to be surprised that maybe, something, if the video come to my show or whatever, people will not be saying it's overnight. It's not overnight. I've been putting in effort. In anything you're doing, try and get to the top. If where you are, there's no pathway to be the best at it, you're not in the right field. If you're into something that you can't get to the top, that means there's no top there. You're in the wrong field. You understand? You try and make a move. Engage all the buttons on your right. Okay, like, subscribe, share, and follow.